Okay, welcome back again, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the difference between time in Excel. So I have my data here, this one selected. So looking at the difference between 3:56 p.m. and 4:26 p.m. is 30 minutes. Same applies 4:26 p.m. to 4:54 p.m. is 28 minutes. So how are we going to do it so that Excel can give us a chance of calculating the difference in time? I'm going to show you in just a few minutes. So first things first, you need to copy our data. I'll prefer to put it in another Excel sheet tab here, then paste it somewhere here, just like that. Then I'll format here, I'll write a formula, yes, like that. This is where I'll punch my formula. Then first thing, what you're required to do is you need your data to be in the same standard format, which is time. So how you're doing it is by just selecting your data, then go into a home tab, then number, then time. Make sure time with the clock is selected. So upon clicking, all the data moves into one same standard format. So the last thing which you're required to do is to punch a formula which can subtract your time and give you a reasonable answer. So I'll punch equal sign, then write text. Make sure you select the text with caps, this one here. Okay, then we value, that means this one subtracting this one, the time. Then I put a comma there, then the format. It asks which format do you want. So I'll put double string HH, this means hours, then semicolon this means minutes. Then you can also add semicolon seconds. So for my case, let us into minutes. Okay, then I'll close the bracket. But before I close the bracket, it asks me for the formula. Yes, I need to put here a double string. Then enter, gives me like that. So I'll just drag down to the bottom. So it calculates the difference in time just like that. So same applies. If you wanted to calculate it also in seconds, you could just have put this double S seconds, then enter. So it gives you 30 minutes and seconds, just like that. So just like that. So in order to see the formula, I'll just prefer to hide this so that I can look at the formula. Then I'll click on control this one so that I can look at the formula. So this is the formula of calculating time, either in hours, minutes, and seconds. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understand how I have just calculated this. So if you have any question, just drop a comment and I'll get back for your reply. Thank you a lot.